Well guys, we have another outside faucet to replace. It's missing the handle. We got some polybutylene just draped up under here. And so we're gonna put a new outside faucet on. Now, instead of trying to go find the shut off, I've got a piece of PEX here and a polybutylene adapter. We're gonna pull that thing, pull it out, cut it, crimp this on. We're gonna just do it live so we don't have to turn off water. So let's get on it. Run. Wow. Okay. I gotta get a nut driver, pull these screws out. Well, boy, that one broke. These are rusted out. This one is not have anything left. Oh my. Yeah, so it looks like somebody just used some zinc plated hex screws on here. So I gotta see if I can break it out. Okay, good. I was able to get this out, so now let's see if we can get this screw out of here. Man, oh man. Ain't much left of it. There we go. Beautiful. Okay, well, what we're gonna do is cut this pipe, put a ring on it, leave this open, and let's get on it. Try to get out of the way. Set our crimpers and stuff right here where we're gonna grab it. And here we go. Cut from the bottom so I don't get sprayed. Woo! Okay. Got a decent little bit of pressure. Not too crazy. Uh-oh, almost went inside. All right, let me pull this pipe out. There we go. Now, slip a ring over the water stream. There we go. Now, we just need our faucet. I'm gonna put it in on my side so I don't get sprayed. All right, and I make sure my faucet's pointed the right direction. Here we go. Oh yeah. Just like that. Look at that. Beautiful. All right, so we just shove that in there and screw this up. We've got a couple stainless steel wood screws. And see if we can find a good spot for them. That one did not go in good hole. There we go. Beautiful. Now we just need to put her little setup on here. There we go. All right, well, there we go. Everything back to normal.